Okay.
Okay, so now what
Now
we'll
it
do-
really gives a clarity as far as candidates.
Yeah, now our candidates are basically ready. I will finalize with the party. Once I discuss with the party in 2 days time, I will basically I will basically announce the names.
So your party candidates are almost
My
ready.
party, I got 2, 3, 4.
कितने न्यू कैंडिडेट असले होते आणि पन्ने कितले होते रिटायर
Percentage wise.
At least 50% at least should be there, no?
50% new.
सगळे युथचा हात आहे.
No, but any
50% रिटायर म्हणतात आता
We will be phased off, no? So we need to get new blood in.
so any reason 50% faced off?
What is that?
Any reason? Baba, naya chances.
No, other people should be given a chance.
Babush, Utpal is putting their panel. Any impact will be there?
Baba, you just tell me one time. Last time, you have been following this election? Last time, were you there? Okay, last time also there. That's the reason I'm asking. You're asking me a question when you don't know the answer. So then last time also his panel was there. This time also he's there. So it's fine. We are fighting everyone.
Congress,
no
Congress is
support
giving the
the-
support.
Baba, see, I don't know about Congress. Everyone is free basically to put their candidates. So it is free for them to contest. It is, I believe, and I have got a confidence. I have got a confidence. Why I am talking about this confidence? I have got a confidence because I have got the support of the people. That we are going to get all 30 out of 30. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye. Have a great day.
यू टू सर
Congratulations.